too early, so to speak. Right, let's check out the big GS Adventures filtering. I won't call it whoa, 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 whoa. Easy fucking tiger, eh? Not bad. I mean, he had every right. It's not a big deal. YouTube needs danger. YouTube needs peril. You lot want to see people suffer, yeah? You want to watch people get injured. You want to watch people die. Do you know what's funny? Have a look at my most popular videos on my channel. Do you know what the common theme is? Oh, I don't like these. This is where Dave would be. So much better. I'm not going to wave at either of them. Fuck it. I'll see you in hell. Look at this penis. It's so well balanced low down, this bike. That's what I love about it. Right, a little spunky thing like that. Little at the car wash, yeah. Open those big titties at the car wash. Bring those big titties down to the car wash, yeah. We'll suck those titties up real good. I mean, et voilà. Et tu? Muy bien. Is that right? That cheeky van there, DK. Yes, you are a DK. You're a DK head. Yeah, the big beamer. Quite cut Dave's live capabilities, has it? But we can still be cheeky. We know the ways of the road. What's she doing? What's she penising doing? Get out of his way. Watch this. Come on, big German boy. Come on, you big pig. I'm not going to do a voice for him. It's too much. See what you got. See what you got. Famous bottleneck for the Crumble. We've been here on many a bike. What's this? Oh dear. Oh dear. Come on, out of the way. That's it. Come on, get out of the fucking way. Man on bicycle coming through. It's an emergency. I'm actually going to have a baby. I'm pregnant. That's what you don't know. Coming through. I'm about to deliver. I'm about to birth a child. Woo! It's so live, this big thing. Everyone's like, oh, it's massive. It's honestly. And the torque. It's great. Right. I don't usually go this way, but I'm going to go this way just for you, because you want to see what this bike can do, don't you? Oh, fuck off. Limitations. Limitations. You've got limitations, mate, yeah? You're 8 feet wide. It's like trying to get a fucking tugboat through here. Come on, you can do it. That's it, that's it. Come on. Yeah, watch out for the crappy road. Breathe in, you lot. Oh, a bus stroking opportunity? I bloody think so. I bloody think so. He's moved out of the way. Oh, that was lovely. A proper stroked leg. That gave me a thrill like no other. I'm not stroking lorries. No. No. I'm still waiting for a hearse. That's me fucking favourite lake. Chuck in, you big bastard. Geordie's the accent of the deer. Woo! I reckon I could get a hat-trick here. That's one for Crumble. Can he make it 2? Can he make it 2? Yes, he can. Can he make it 3 in a row? Yes, he can. Go on, Crumble. Crumble with his hat-trick. Woo! Get in. And yeah, here we go. So strap in. Let's do it. Let's see what kind of commentary I can offer you as I filter and schmilter past the masses and schmasses, shall we? Pull me ears back. I'm not sure you need him pulled back, to be fair, Dave. Let's have a look. No. Why don't people ride more motorbikes? I don't mean more motorbikes as in, let's all have 5. Why don't more people ride motorbikes is what I'm basically asking. But comment below. Tell me why this godforsaken planet we call home, we call Earth, is inhabited by and populated by people in cars. What is wrong with the motor? It's dangerous, it's dangerous. Yeah. So he's wanking with a plastic bag over your head, but it's fun. It's fun. God, I've talked about masturbation and I've sworn already. I'm trying to clean my act up. Go on, David, show your credentials. Show them what you've got. I'm going, mate. I'm through the middle, mate. Don't you worry, mate. Thanks, mate. Right, mate. Yes. Dave man. Dave man. These pricks. I'm turning right at 200 metres, but I've got to be right over on the right hand side in preparation. Piss off. You absolute wank boxes. What's a wank box, Crumble? It's a box of wank, is what it is. Can you buy them? Probably. Have you got one for sale? Yes, it's £12. I'll pop it in the post for you. Enjoy. Slow down, Dave. Oh, mate, speed up. We're going into a blind... Why? Exactly. Shall I do a face reveal? There it is, there's my face. That's as much as you're getting. Can you see it? You can see my lips, my luscious lips, and my lovely moustache. The hint of ginger in there. Ooh, Crumble. Have you got a ginger moustache? I have got a bit of a ginger moustache, yeah. It goes with my pubes. What shall I call the video now? Ginger pubes on Ring Road. M1 flirtation. Ginger pube flirtation. Something of that nature, I expect. A line of traffic, please. It's of no consequence to Mr. Crumble. Filtering, risking his life. And normally I don't do this, but because it's YouTube and because I'm like, I want to show off to my YouTube followers, I'd usually just wait in the queue. But I think it's worth it for 1,500 views, don't you? I think it's got to be worth it. Monetization? No. Do we earn anything? No. But it's goddamn worth it, isn't it, for the adulation, the praise. Go on, Dave. What are you doing? What are you doing? You piss poor, piss flat bastard. Jesus Christ. Ugh. Alright, lads. Would you like to come home with me? I've got some nice crab paste for some sandwiches. And we can watch episodes of Camberwick Green together on the sofa. On the sofa. Would you like that, you two? Yes, please, Mr. Crumble. That sounds wicked. It does sound wicked. I'm wicked. What shall I call the video now? Paedophile invites children ginger pubes. I'm sure we can couple those together somehow. We can hitch them. I can hitch the children to the ginger pube wagon, I think. What's this van? What is this van? You are but a man in a van, and you are pissing me right off. We're gonna get home quickly at this rate, you lot. Do you want me to slow down? Is that what you'd like? Slow down, Crumble. I just want your company a bit more. I like this new way back. Comment on the new way back. What are you saying? I'm going right, 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 I'm going straight on. Behind a Porsche Cayman. Wow, got a Porsche Cayman, that's beautiful. I'd quite like it, to be fair. Come on, Dave, show me who's boss. Fuck off, mate. 1990s Honda coming past, yeah? Rein it in. You think you're Billy Big Nuts? Yeah? I've got a 1990s Honda Blackbird here. Fastest production bike in the world for about 10 minutes. Can't wait here. Just venture into the other side. We've got 1,500 views to garner. Man on bike risks life and limb for 1,500 views on YouTube. Can you imagine it? I die, get killed. What was he doing? He was filtering. Nearly getting killed on a roundabout. He was filtering, and he was squashed. But why would he do such a thing? He was showing off for his YouTube followers, that was it. But how many followers did he have? Well, he had 20,000. That's what it said on his YouTube channel. But only around 1,000 watched it, because around 18,000 were bastards who were more interested in someone who did a review of a Givey tank bag. So, Dave the filtering king. Come on, David. Show us how it's done. Come on, mate. One day you'll be caught, won't you? Someone will open the car door and we'll just go whack into it. But for now, yeah, this is what we do. Look, what a gap. It's like Moses in the Red Sea, mate. Look at this. This is going to look great on camera as well, Dave. Everything's going tickety-boo. Let's hope there's not tragedy that befalls us or awaits us just past this Ford Fiesta or Ford Focus here. Whatever the fuck it is. Yeah, we're still good to go. We're still going. Come on, David. We've still not been brought down. That's it. Come on. Sound like Sean Bean in Game of Thrones. My name's Eddard Stark. Oh, this is tricky. Come on, David. Oh, this is tight. This is challenging. What about what you saying here? What you saying? I've got a massive top box on. That could be the only. Oh, I can see a thread of the road right down to the very bottom there, David. What do you suggest? Keep going, mate. Twist that throttle. I know what you're like. You're a rebel, aren't you? Yes. And slow. Ears back. Right, you wee bastard. Come on, you wee bastard. Oh, piss off. I've got to go to Lidl on the way home to buy some basil. Fuck off. Right. It's just filtering all the way. Really, isn't it? It's just, this is it. This choked up world we live in. Anyway, ooh, hello. Fuck off, mate. I mean, that was just ridiculous, wasn't it? He was willing to, like, kill me there just to get to, you know, someone who's called up to say, my oven's not working, I'll call the police. And he's heading there with a screwdriver and some oven cleaner. And he's willing to take my life to be able to clean that oven. That was a bit close. What I'll do, I think, I'll do a little thumbnail of me, the police car, and I'll say something like, police car nearly killed me, oven cleaning, paedophile ginger pube video. Be something like that, I think. Hello, you were rather loud. It's dirty on the streets, it's filthy. On the mean streets of Nottingham. Anyway, I'm going to say peace out in the dark, people. You have been dark crumbled. Peace out, my brothers and sisters. Stay safe. Thought I was going to run into that van then. That'd have been a funny Christmas, wouldn't it? Being dead. Merry Christmas, you lots. From your Super Santa, Mr. Crumble, and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Dave the Honda Blackbird. Say Merry Christmas, Dave. Merry Christmas, Dave. Oh, very clever. Very sharp. Well done. Very witty. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you soon. Pieces out. Pieces always out.